Hey everybody, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to be going over 3 tools I just purchased that are going to make changing the spark plugs much easier in a 6th generation Subaru Outback. So first things first, we have an Astro. This is from Astro, and I'll link all these in the description so you can purchase these. These are all affordable because, you know, I try to make everything affordable on this channel. We have the Astro 3/8 inch drive head and a 1/4 inch ratchet body, all right? This is the long version, so armed for scale, right? Like this is, there we go. This is pretty long, all right? I don't have a tape measure. Actually, I do. Let's measure it. Boom, all right. So if you have bolt cutters, they'll work for the job. Perfect. So let's take a look real quick at this one. All right, like I said, look how thin that is. Like, that's my finger. It's like that. It's even more narrow here. All right. So I think this is going to be great if you want to get down in that deep spot with something long, especially if you have bigger arms. I'm thinking this will be really helpful. And honestly, it's just good to have a bunch of different tools for it, right? All right, up next, Tone. This is from Japan. The model number is right there. It's Romeo Hotel 3 Charlie Hotel, right? This is the one you want. 9.5 millimeter. This converts over to, like I said, 3/8 inch head on a 1/4 inch body, all right? This is super tiny. Holy cow. Let's cut this one off and yeah, get this one open. We might be able to use snips. All right, there we go. We'll get that out of here. So look at this one, all right? This is tiny. My finger is what, like 3 inches or so? I'd say this guy, let's measure it. And we forgot to measure this one. Sorry, everybody. I got caught up in that packaging. This comes in at basically, about 12 inches, almost, about a foot, bottom to top, all right? This other one, let's look at this one. Tiny, feels good in the hand. Like, these don't feel cheap. I feel like they'll get multiple uses. And this one comes in at just over 5.5 inches. Super small, lightweight. If you've got smaller arms like me, like I've got smaller wrists and stuff, I might be able to reach down and use this, okay? We'll see. And then last, Aris, whatever you want to call it, 14 millimeter thin wall swivel spark plug socket. All right, if you look here, we got this swivel head. So let's open this one up. There you go, you just pull that off. All right, pull pin. All right, so let's look, right? That's your 3/8 inch head. You fit it in there, and instead of just having it going from the side, because when you look at where the spark plugs are, that's not going to happen, all right? You can get this. The smart thing to do is actually get this in there, get the head up to where you can reach it. You might have to use an extension kit. So if you have that for your ratchet, great. If not, you might want to get it. You just attach your head, right? You're in there, and you can do your thing, okay? All right, let's talk. How did these perform when changing the spark plugs? Well, we have 4 spark plugs here that were removed using these tools, all right? We got these spark plugs out, relatively stress-free, relatively easy. So let's talk about it. I would definitely recommend purchasing all 3 of these as a set, like at the same time, to work on your spark plugs if you're removing the spark plugs for your Subaru Boxer engine. Honestly, like this thin wall socket, 14 millimeter, it's also magnetic, in case you were curious, all right? So that's really important to help you get that spark plug out, man. If it's not magnetic, you do not want that spark plug socket, all right? So that's nice. It gets it out real easy. And the swivel head really swivels a lot. I mean, this was remarkably helpful. This one here, I mean, man, it is worth every penny. If they doubled the price on this, I would still purchase this. I'm not even making that up, all right? This here, man, when you connect this, boom, you can get into a lot of tight spots. And if you get spark plug socket with an extension on it, you should watch my video where I do the spark plugs. I talk about that. You can drop this into the spark plug socket hole and then come in and boom, bang this little guy on, all right? You can push this knob in and get it on there. I mean, this is great tool. So, I mean, I'm just gonna stop there, okay? I sound crazy. This one as well, getting in those deep spots, that didn't require something as tiny as this, you get a lot of good leverage, all right? And adding the extensions to this as well, this was a real game changer. I cannot speak highly enough about this, all right? 3/8 inch drive and a 1/4 inch body, narrow body, boom. My advice, buy these, hands down, worth every penny. Thanks for watching. linked in description. Go buy these.